Hello guys, so we are going to unbox these Solo Pro headphones. They are compatible with both Android and iOS. And let's start. The box is well packaged. It looks nice. It's black in color, as you can see. So let's okay. Let's open the inside. Wow. And here's what we have. This one. We have the charging cable. And we have the headphones over here. They are wireless. They're in black. I love black. I guess that's all. So let's put them to the test. Let me switch them on. And I don't know if you have heard that sound. Okay. Oh, oops. So let me. Okay. They're quite comfortable around the ears. And the padding is soft. Doesn't hurt your ears. Let me put on some music. I'm obviously gonna play Wakadinali because I love Wakadinali. Let's test the audio. It's still searching. It's called Beats Solo Pro. It's pairing now. Pair. Okay. So let's play Wakadinali. Domani Munga. Imekuwa siku fiti jo, nimechel mtaani na Mamorio. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me put it near the camera and put it full volume. Tune in to Adoveli Podcast. You can hear how loud they are, and the audio is quite crispy. It's very good. It's very nice, and the quality is okay. It has padding all around. There's also padding around here, and yeah, that's it. You can also, if you would love to connect the headphones to your laptop, to your phone, you have a cable over here, an audio cable, and as I said, this is the charging cable. And that's it, guys. That was loud.